Hey, it's Vicki K, and I'm getting things ready for Friday's video. Today I got my new contacts. I can't see up close very well, so they're gonna give me another set here in a little bit. I'm gonna run go get those. Then I'm gonna go get my hair done. I'm so excited. I'm having a good day today, so I'm excited about that. And I will catch you up throughout the day, and hope you're having a great week. Done right now, and I love these little pink foils that Blake is using. So I am rebuilding. I should be back to normal in 5 to 10 years.